Ho, ho, ho. All right. I know we're not in Christmas yet, but we're getting there, okay? I'm the day after Halloween, I was celebrating Christmas. I had Christmas music playing. The Black Friday prices are already going on. Everybody's doing Black Friday pricing before Black Friday. You're probably watching this video. It's either Black Friday or after anyway. So everything's all screwed up. I'm just going to hang out on Christmas and I'll wait till you guys get here, okay? But in the meantime, it's turkey, turkey, turkey. Okay? We did our Thanksgiving turkey. Now this may be for your Christmas turkey. And I'm pretty excited. An injector needle, all right? And I guess we're just going to do the oils today, okay? But I wanted to show you the other side of it. This company has a lot going on right now. I'm sitting here on my phone reading about the owner of this company, and it seems that he's won 2 World Barbecue Championships. Oh my gosh. Okay? And he's got 34 years in the meat business. So you know what that tells me? That tells me this guy's not fooling around. I'm be very surprised if I don't like this, because this guy knows what needs to be on pork, what needs to be on beef. He knows what seasonings need to be applied for the rubs, and then what injectables you're looking for, flavor combinations, flavors that go with the meat. It's weird how you hang out with meat long enough and you start to, your palate, and I'm sure his has been perfected over 34 years. I've only been doing this show for what, 14 years, I think? Something like that. So I'm really excited about this, trying these products. Thank you guys. It's a nice little selection here. It's called Butcher BBQ. I want to thank Butcher BBQ for sending these so we could try them out. I'm going to fire up my grill, and then we're going to prepare the turkey. So let me go outside, fire up the grill, get it heated up. That's kind of what you want to do. Then you want to clean the grill. I haven't used my gas grill in quite a while. I've been smoking stuff forever, but it's going to be fun. These are considered grilling oils. Grilling barbecue oils. Did you get that? Did you write that down? And since it is the spending season, this would be a great gift pack. So let's go find out if we love these, all right? And I'll be right back. I just got to turn on the grill. All right, so let's look at the rubs first. This company does both. Pretty exciting. You got to check out their website. I'll have a link down below. This one is a signature blend grilling addiction. This one is a signature blend private seasoning. Once again, world famous champion here that made these. Honey rub. And this is the premium rub. Honestly, I like to pick one that I'm most excited about. And I'm most excited about this one. Premium rub. Okay? Let's look at the barbecue grilling oils. And you got butter flavor. That's a must. And then you come over here. This is a logical must. This guy's smart. You know it. Because he uses garlic. That's right. Garlic, butter in that grilling oil. This is the one I'm going to be using most. Well, we'll probably try different ones. So I'm going to use this definitely. This one's honey flavor. Num, 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 num. So these all are very exciting. And let's get the turkey ready and we'll start working it. Okay, guys, I got 3 legs and I got 3 wings. And we're using the garlic butter one. Okay? There we go. There we go. Poke it in there. Just filling the legs right now. Whoops, look, it's leaking. I'm okay with that too. I don't mind this being all over the place because that's what I'm going to do anyway. Poke it here. Poke it here. Once again, if it's all over the place, that's okay. So, I made an executive decision, guys. Premium rub. That's right. I'm going to put that. I've got these injected with the grilling oils. I've got the meat all coated. So now I cracked open this premium rub and smelt it. Smelt it? Is that a word? Smelt it? I don't even know. But all I know is, let's pull this needle out of here. Put that right there. Is I am going to shake, shake, shake. Put it all over this wing. We might as well try as much as we can while we're here. Right? Flip it over. Okay. Put it all over this wing. We're doing it to all the wings. Because I know this premium rub's going to be the best. I'm just predicting it. I have no idea yet till I try it. We're going to cook with it. Once again, season heavily, because most of it's going to fall off when you flip it anyway. And there we go. Okay guys, realize they're grilling oils, so it's going to flame up a little bit when it drips. Nice hot barbecue going right now. Let's close this up, give it a moment to cook. I've lowered my flame. I get the grill marks going and all that. But basically, you do medium or low, depending on how hot your barbecue is, because you don't want to be cooking on high. You just do that to clean the grill and get it all ready. Okay? You see that turkey leg dripping? All right, you should have seen when I put it up there, the whole thing was dripping. There was so much juice coming off that leg. It's just beautiful. So I had to put them up there so not to make them too dark. Wings are doing good. Everything's doing good. Once again, I'm a flipper, so I think I flipped this meat like 7 times already. But I'll show you in the kitchen when we're done, okay? I haven't smelt turkey like this in a very long time. I haven't smelt this good on a turkey in probably 5 years on the show. This smells amazing. I can't wait to try it out. But first, rest your meat. Repeat after me. Rest your meat. I don't care what meat. Lamb, chicken, pork, beef. You let it set. If it was a whole turkey, we'd set it for an hour. But these are parts. It's only going to need about 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Let it rest. And what happens is all the heat turns back into juice and just gets amazing right now. So let it cool. Let it rest. Walk away. Come back and try it out on the show. Oh, wait, that's me. All right. So we'll try this in a minute. We're just letting our meat rest. Okay, guys, so here it is. We got this beautiful layout of great smelling turkey. Wow, the legs were the juiciest turkey legs I've ever seen in my life. They dripped the whole time it was on the grill. Now, I don't know, it probably wasn't the oil, but the oil helped. Smelled good. The seasoning smelled good. Or the rub, I mean, smelled delicious. So let's give this a try and see how everything works. So to let you guys know what we did, once again, we injected the legs with the garlic butter. And then we coated the outside. So it was on both sides. It was all over. Let's give that a try. I can taste it all over. I can feel it on my fingers. It's absolutely delicious. It's garlicky. It's buttery. I'm sure all the other ones are just as delicious. But you can taste it throughout the meat. We injected the leg with it. We coated the leg with it. The premium rub. This was a bonus for this video. I had to do it. I smelt that premium rub and I thought, we got to throw it in the video. We can't sit back and go without it. Here we go. Okay. I love when I do a video and I have a huge surprise. I call them like home run recipes, but these are home run products, okay? This was good. You're never going to go wrong with this. This premium rub was amazing. Unbelievable. The moment my tongue touched it, I saw 2 world championships go through my mind. I could tell why he won the awards that he won. I'm almost going to guess it was with this premium rub. I'd be shocked if this didn't win a first place. I'm putting that on ribs. Guys, I truly am excited about that rub. I'm glad I got all the injectable butters here, the grilling oils. I love these too. I don't want to take away from these, but I want to rave about that premium rub. Watch my lips. Premium rub. The moment, I didn't even pull the meat off the bone yet, okay? I'm all watering, drooling all over myself. Okay, the meat didn't even come off the bone yet. The moment I touched it, I could taste it. You gotta believe me, I'm serious. So I'll have a link down below so you can survey this. This is from a company called Butcher BBQ. They are on Facebook. You can join their group. You can go on their website, check out the rest of their products. It's kind of like when you go to a Mexican restaurant and the salsa's good, everything's good. Okay, that's amazing. I'm guessing everything's amazing, all right? So we may squeeze in another video soon with some ribs. We'll do this and the other ones, and we'll put them up against each other. They're probably all going to be amazing, but wow, that premium rub. Guys, you take care, and I'll see you on the next episode, all right? I love you. Bye-bye.